Okay, continuation process. Here see the diagram. What is the value of NC? NC is equals to ON plus OC. Okay, okay, NC is equals to NO plus OC. NO or ON both are same. So here already I told you what is the value of NC. NC value is D, and what is the value of ON? ON value is, here already we are having from equation 5, ON value is A sec theta. Okay, A sec theta plus what is the value of OC? OC value is A. Okay, now D is equals to, take the common A, it is 1 plus sec theta. Okay, and next substitute the value of A from the equation 6. Here D is equals to, A is equals to P cot theta, and it is 1 plus sec theta. Okay, now simplify this equation. Take cot theta inside, D is equals to P into cot theta, I am multiplying inside, that is plus cot theta plus cot theta into sec theta. Okay, now substitute the value of cot theta and sec theta in this equation, that is P into cot theta as it is, plus cot means what, Nana? Cos by sine, cos by sine, and secant theta means what? 1 by cos theta. So cos theta gets cancelled to each other. Next it is P into cot theta plus 1 by sin theta. Okay, so now again you change cot theta value, that is cos by sine, cos theta by sin theta plus 1 by sin theta. Okay, simplify this equation, it is P into 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. What is this value? This value is D. Okay, now substitute the values of the formulas for 1 plus cos theta and sin theta in this equation. Okay, already we are having the formulas that 1 plus cos theta value is 2 cos square theta by 2 and sin theta value is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. You have to remember these formulas, otherwise you won't get the derivation. Okay, D is equals to P into, substitute 1 plus cos theta value is what, Nana? 2 cos square theta by 2 divided by sin theta value 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, here see the numerator and denominator, 2 gets cancelled, 1 cos theta by 2, 1 cos theta by 2 cancelled, that is P into cos by sin, it is cot theta by 2. What is the value? It is B. D is equals to P cot theta by 2. Let us consider this as equation number 7. Okay, now coming to the point, what is our previous value here? See, according to equation number 4, P square is equals to D into D minus B. Substitute the value of D in equation number 4. Okay, now write down what is the equation number 4, that is P square is equals to D into D minus B. Okay, now substitute the value of D. P square is equals to, D means P cot theta by 2 into P cot theta by 2 minus B. Okay, see here 1 P gets cancelled to each other and P is equals to cot theta by 2 P cot theta by 2 minus B. Okay, I am multiplying cot theta by 2 inside, that is P is equals to P into cot square theta by 2 minus B into cot theta by 2. Okay, so here I am writing B left hand side, that is B cot theta by 2 is equal, because already we are having 2 p's, so I am taking all the p's one side. B cot theta by 2 is equals to P cot square theta by 2 minus P. Okay, now take P as common, that is cot square theta by 2 minus 1. And next, here take cot theta by 2 right hand side, cot theta by 2 right hand side, that is B is equals to P into 1 cot gets cancelled, that is cot theta by 2 minus 1 by cot. 1 by cot means tan theta by 2. Okay, now again I am simplifying this equation. B is equals to P into cos by sine minus sine means tan means sine by cos. Okay, now multiplication, cross multiplication, that is cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2 by sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, we are having the formulas that if you substitute the formulas, then you will get the simplification part of this equation, that is sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Already I told you sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 value is what, Nana? Sin theta by 2. is equals to sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. And cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 value is cos theta. Okay, substitute all these values in this equation. Okay, so b is equals to p into, in the numerator it is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, it is cos theta. In the denominator it is sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, it is what, Nana? Sin theta by 2. Okay, so take 2 in the numerator, 2p cos theta by sin theta. Cos by sin what, Nana? Cot. 2p cot theta. This is what the value of b. But from the diagram, see in this diagram, theta plus theta means what, Nana? 2 theta. 2 theta plus pi is equals to theta plus pi value is what, Nana? 180 degrees. This complete angle is what, Nana? 180 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees means what? It is pi. That is 2 theta plus pi is equals to pi. Okay, here I want the value of theta. Theta means what? 2 theta is equals to pi minus pi. Theta is equals to pi minus pi by 2. I think you are getting. See once again here theta plus pi. Theta plus pi is equals to 180 degrees. That is what I am writing. Theta plus theta, 2 theta plus pi is equals to 180. 180 means pi. I am writing the value of theta is equals to pi minus pi by 2. See here, theta value is pi minus pi by 2. Can I write like this? Theta is equals to pi by 2 minus pi by 2.